Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix an error has occurred. Please try again later error on ChatGPT. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you are experiencing this error, it means that ChatGPT has encountered a glitch that needs to be fixed. There are two ways we can do this. First, we need to troubleshoot ChatGPT app and see if the problem will go away. But before you troubleshoot, you may just want to start a new thread and see if this error still occurs. Sometimes if you are on a long thread that has filled up, you might experience this. However, if on a new thread you still experience the same error, then on your smartphone, go to settings, and from settings look for apps, and under apps go for manage apps or all apps, and this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, just search for ChatGPT, and here you need to go to clear data and then clear cache, and okay. Once you're done, now restart your smartphone and then open your ChatGPT, and now everything should be working without any issue. However, at this point, if you still experience an error, then check if you are connected to any VPN. You will need to turn off this VPN for this to be fixed. But should this not work, then most likely it's because ChatGPT has experienced a server error, of which it should be fixed within some few minutes. So check in later after some few minutes, and your ChatGPT now should be working within no time. So that's how you can fix this error on your ChatGPT app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.